In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the WooCommerce plugin in WordPress. By the end of our time together, you'll be well on your way to setting up your very own online store. So, let's dive right in and get started on this exciting journey. First things first, you'll want to navigate to wordpress.com. This is your go-to place for anything you need to build and manage your website. If you're not already there, go ahead and open up your browser and type in wordpress.com. Once you're there, it's time to log into your account. Find that familiar login button, give it a click, and enter your credentials. Easy, right? Logging in ensures you have access to everything you need to manage your site effectively. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the WordPress dashboard. This is like your website's control center, where all the magic happens. Here you'll find everything from your site's design options to content, and importantly for us today, plugins. You're going to head over to the plugin section. On the left side menu, you should see plugins. Give that a click. Now that you're in the plugin section, look for the Add Plugin option. This is where you'll get access to thousands of plugins available for WordPress, and where you'll find WooCommerce. Click on that Add Plugin button to proceed. Once you're in the plugin directory, it's time to search for WooCommerce. You'll see a search bar, likely at the top right corner. Type in WooCommerce and wait for the results to show. WooCommerce should be one of the first options that pop up, as it's a highly popular plugin designed to help you build and run an online store directly from your WordPress site. After locating WooCommerce in the search results, click on it. This action will bring you to a dedicated page where you can learn more about WooCommerce's features and what it can do for your site. It's always good to have a quick overview, but as we're eager to get started, let's move on to the installation. On this page, you should see an option to Install Now. Click that, and WordPress will take care of downloading and installing WooCommerce onto your site. Once the installation is complete, there will be an option to activate. Make sure you click that as well. Activation is a crucial step since it enables the plugin to start functioning on your website. And that's it. With WooCommerce installed and activated, you're all set to start setting up your products and customizing your online store. Exploring the available features will be your next adventure. But for now, congratulations on successfully adding WooCommerce to your WordPress site. Enjoy creating your online store.